Okay, let's take a look at the room we're staying in. It's the royal service section. We're on the second floor. It's just the walkway is just behind me. Let's go take a look. All right, we've just got a couple of steps to walk up here. And you can see that's our balcony right there. Here's the door, room number 8323. Okay, let's go take a look inside. Got a pretty nice view of at the ocean out there. You can see some of the other rooms. Actually, that is the room we had the first time we came here. And last time we came here, we splurged on the ocean view room just across the street there. And that was a really nice view of the ocean, but it's a little pricey. Anyways, let's take a look inside the room here. Let's open up inside. See, the air conditioning is nice and cool here, which is not always true in Cuba, but here the air conditioner works quite well. So on our right here, we've got some umbrellas in case it rains. We might get a bit of rain this week, a few millimeters probably. Little sitting area here. Now here, our butlers brought some Havana Club for us, a couple of bottles of water. We're supposed to be getting some white wine later on today. Down here in the mini bar, we've got beer and pop. They'll refill that each day, no problem. Got some drawers here that are empty on this side. Over here, we've got some glasses here for drinking rum, an ice bucket down there, so it's all well stocked. Some more wine glasses over there. A TV, a nice desk area set up here to put your stuff out on. I usually put my cameras and stuff out there for getting organized. All right, so let's take a look. This is more of the kind of bedroom area. It's a nice king-size bed. Lots of pillows. They had on our list. We've been here before, so we had on record you guys need extra pillows, so you can see they've brought some extra pillows for us. Also, what I like about this room is the ceiling fan. Turn that on just to get a bit of air circulating. Also, the nightstands, you can see just down there, there's outlets to plug in your chargers. It's 220 volts here, but you can use the standard North American charger will plug in there, and you can then plug in all your portables there, no problem. Okay, what else is really nice about this room? We've got a mirror here. You can open this up, and inside is storage area for your clothes, etc. Lots of room to hang up stuff here. Got a safe, lots more drawers down there. Got our suitcases, haven't unpacked yet. We just got here about an hour ago, I guess. More extra pillows, excellent. Couple of robes. Oh yeah, this is nice too. The towels here, no issue with the towels. You get them, they'll refresh them in the evening. We got 2 to start with, and we can refresh them down at the pool as well. More drawers here. Yeah, very nice. Normally we keep this closed, just there's no point air conditioning the room there. They get the air conditioning more effective if it's just cooling down the one room. Now this is massive here. This is the bathroom area. This huge soaking tub, which we have used from time to time. 2 sinks on 2 different sides. This is great. You can lay out all my stuff. Tracy can lay her stuff out. No fighting over which side of the sink. You've got your own sink and a separate counter. Off to the side here, that's where the toilet is. Separate little room, which is nice. The toilet, bidet, lots of toilet paper. Also, there's toilet paper in the washrooms by the pool area as well. No issues with that here. This is a pretty high-end resort, really. I would have to say this is probably the nicest room I've stayed in Cuba. Just the size of it, and just the service and everything. This is a fantastic room. Oh, and then here's one more thing that I really like. It's the outdoor shower. So it's pretty warm right now. It's probably, I don't know, 31 degrees, I'd say. So you got a shower here. It's open to the sky here. You can see it's pretty nice day today. Yeah, let's just close this here. Now we did have one issue with. I guess I'm gonna have to turn the key here to keep that door closed. Yeah, the first room we had a couple of years back, when it rained really heavy, the rain would drip down on the ledge there and then come into the room here, and it got a little bit wet. So that was lots of work for house cleaning to take care of. I think that's, oh, right, let's not forget the balcony, which is massive as well, which I really enjoy. Now this door takes a little bit of strength to open, which is not unusual for, it doesn't slide too bad. Yeah, it's just pretty nice. There's a little sitting area here. Also a table, a couple of chairs, and get a fairly decent view of the ocean just past those trees there. And what's really nice about this room is you can just see off to the left there. That's the main area where the pool, bar, reception is all there. It's a really short walk for this room. This is kind of low season here. I don't think there's too many rooms booked. We kind of talked to we booked just regular service, and then we reserved through the hotel directly, because you get a better deal than doing it through the travel agent or the package. So that's something to keep in mind if you want to do the upgrade to rail service. All right, so I think that's pretty well the end of this. Thanks for watching. Yeah, stay tuned. There'll be lots of other kind of mini tours of the resort, the beach, etc. So see what else comes up on the channel.